This car is a Toyota 86. The red-white checkered design and 121 number give it a racing look. Despite its small size, the design and finishing are very realistic. It's a great toy or collectible for both kids and collectors. Do you like this car? Let us know in the comments. Let's pack this up. It looks so beautiful, doesn't it? Whoa! Look at this! Is this just a regular truck? Nope. This is a giant dump truck. Have you seen the wheels on this thing? Each one is as tall as 2 grown-up people. And guess what? This beast has 2,700 horsepower. That's super powerful. This truck can actually lift its back up. Look at this giant arm truck. This is not just any truck. This is a mighty crane truck. Did you see that? Its long arm can stretch super far, just like a superhero reaching out to grab something. On top of this truck, there's a huge hook. This hook can lift heavy objects and move them from one place to another. This crane truck is used for building huge buildings. It helps carry giant bricks, steel rods, and all the heavy stuff. Would you like to drive this truck? What heavy things would you try to lift? Tell me in the comments. Look at this bright yellow truck. But wait, what's that at the back? It looks like a strong arm to grab cars. This is a tow truck. When a car breaks down and can't move, this truck comes to the rescue. See this red hook and grabber? It grabs the car's wheels and lifts it up to take it safely to the garage. You'll find these trucks on highways, busy streets, and near garages, helping cars get back on the road. This is a cattle transport truck. It helps farmers move cows safely from farms to new homes or markets. The truck has a big covered area with air holes so the cows can breathe. You can find them on country roads, farms, and highways. These trucks are super strong and carry many cows at once. Look at this super cool red car. This is the Ferrari F40, one of the fastest and most legendary supercars in the world. Its real car has a V8 twin-turbo engine. Hold on tight. The Ferrari F40 can go up to 324 kilometers per hour. That's faster than an airplane at takeoff. Imagine if you could race this car. Who would you race against? This is a special edition Isuzu delivery truck. It's black and red, and it's carrying something magical. Shiny black cabin. Look at that sleek black design. So stylish. Bright red cargo box. That's where all the surprises are kept. Mickey and Friends design. Featuring Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy. What do you think is inside this truck? Toys? Candy? Maybe even a surprise gift from Mickey himself? Hey friends! Look at this Isuzu Elf moving truck. It may look small, but it's actually a mini version of a real moving truck. Did you notice the blue 0123 logo on the truck? It's the branding of Art Moving Center. In Japan, when people move to a new house, they use the 0123 service to transport their things. Many people in Japan move once or twice a year, so moving trucks like this is very important. This is a Nissan Skyline GT-R R32 in a Japanese police car version. This car is not just any police car, it's a super fast one. The GT-R R32 is famous for its speed and power, so police in Japan used it to chase bad guys who drove really fast. It was known as Godzilla because it was so powerful on the roads. This is a Japanese emergency rescue vehicle used by the Tokyo Fire Department. It's not just an ambulance, it's a special disaster relief vehicle that helps in big emergencies. This type of ambulance is used for major accidents, earthquakes, and big fires in Japan. It can carry lots of medical equipment and even has space for doctors and nurses to treat people inside. This is an ambulance. When someone is sick or hurt, this special truck rushes them to the hospital. The ambulance has a siren to tell other cars to move aside. It has a big space inside for doctors and patients. And look at the back doors. This is where the patient goes in. You can spot them on busy streets, outside hospitals, or zooming through traffic. Ambulances need to be super fast to save lives. Look at this super cool black and white car. But wait, what's on top? A red siren, and it has a special number, 854. That means it's a police car. This police car helps officers chase bad guys and keep everyone safe. When there's trouble, it speeds to the rescue. The police car has flashing red lights and a loud siren to clear the road.